Hey guys, this week I'm going to show you guys an experiment with osmosis. Osmosis is an extremely important topic in biology. So to describe it in simple words, osmosis is basically water moving from areas with very little salt to areas with a lot of salt, and this is usually across cells or tissues. So in this experiment you are going to need a potato that has been cut into 3 thin slices, 3 cups of water, salt, and a measuring scale. So just a second there, I started the experiment by weighing each potato slice. My first slice was about 10 grams. My second slice was 11 grams. And my third slice was 9 grams. So now that we've prepared our slices there, and we have them all weighed and recorded, it's time to prepare our solutions. So I ended up pouring 1 cup of water into each bowl, labeled no salt, some salt, and a lot of salt. And it's important to make sure that each bowl has the same amount of water, so 1 cup for each bowl. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of salt to the bowl labeled some salt, and 2 tablespoons of salt to the bowl labeled a lot of salt. And then here I gave the solutions a mix with a spoon. And from here, once we're done mixing, we can place 1 slice into each bowl. And I ended up waiting for about 4 hours between weighing them again. And what we hope to see between these 2 trials is that the potatoes change weight. So either water will leave or enter the potato depending on the solution they're sitting in. So from here, it's time to check what happened. This has been 4 hours later. And before weighing each slice, just give them a pat down with a paper towel to dry off any excess water. That will hopefully give you a more accurate measurement of your potatoes because you'll dry off any water that isn't actually inside the potato. So, once I'm done weighing out these potatoes here, we'll go over the results really quick. So, for the results of the experiment, what we found was that the potato in the pure water actually got heavier, while the potatoes in the saltier solutions got a bit lighter. And this is actually because of osmosis, and water was going into the areas with more salt. So in the pure water trial, we actually had water going inside the potato, because the potato actually has a small amount of salt in it. However, in the saltier solutions, there was more salt outside of the water than there was inside of the potato. So what happened was water flowed out of the potato to make sure that there was a balance between the potato and the water.